Good evening, everyone. It is 9:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I apologize for the lateness of this video. As I was coming in to record this earlier this evening, my young son gave me an appeal that was impossible to resist. So I went back in the house and ate some dinner. I'm sure you parents can understand. Sometimes those little cries are hard to resist. What I'm looking at here on this hourly bar is a very aggressive pennant pattern. You can see there's the pole. You could even extend the pole from up here. Either way, you're looking at a very aggressive pinch right around support. You can see the 500 level is down here, important psychological support that price bounced off of. So I am looking for two possible positions. And remember, when I'm looking to take these, it's not at the same time. Okay, so I'm setting an order to buy up here, setting an order to sell down here. So my long trade would be 2.0545. Okay, and that's up in this area here, looking to catch momentum as price starts to go up. I think given the resistance in this area, if price can gain some momentum, then we'll see some good follow through, possibly into right back up here into the 600 area. For a stop, this one is actually going to be fairly tight, and I'm running this one at 32 pips because I want to come down just below these lows here. This could adjust if the market in the overnight session trades down a little bit lower. You can go even as low as 505, underneath these two lows here and here, if the market gets down there. But right now, what I'm trying to do is simply catch my stop underneath or below this area here. I think that's going to be a momentum point. My short trade that I'm looking for is going to be actually, let me clean some of this up here. 32 pips. Okay, short 2.0515, and then again a 32 pip stop on the upside. Again, you can make it a little bit wider to try and catch above these two highs here, but I think if the market breaks down again, we're going to have a very fast move to the downside. So again, I'm seeing this pennant pattern starting to form, very aggressive pattern here, especially to the downside. Which either means we're in store. I think either way we're in store for a volatile move. I think this kind of volatility is showing that there is some interest in the market moving up. The key is going to be volume. Of course, you can see the volume spikes occurring here on both of the down moves, cluing you in. If you're monitoring this again, let's go over this again. When you're monitoring the market, you see the market make these wide range moves down. Okay, if you look high to low. These are some big ranges on both of these hourly bars. If you look at the volume right here, it was pretty big, but look at the next bar. Okay, this is picture perfect. Even if you're looking for a scalp trade intraday, when you see this combination, I'm actually kind of excited because you don't see this very often. Big down bars, and then you see a follow-up bar. Let me get all this straight here. Big down bars, big down volume, and then you see a follow-up bar where the volume doesn't drop off a whole lot. If this volume were down, for example, in this area here, it would be quite a bit less significant. But because the volume was still fairly high, the market actually closed up. That is an awesome indication that the market is likely to turn around. Okay, you can see that the market reached below the lows here, so you still have to be careful. Okay, this is no guarantee. You can see that there were still lower lows here, but even with a reasonable stop, going down to a 15-minute bar, looking for a 3-bar reversal. Let me bring the 15-minute bar in here. Let me go ahead and match. Let me make this a little bit smaller so I can match these up here. Okay, so in this area right there. All right. I just wanted to match it up. So here's the first hour where the big volume happened. You can even see here on the 15-minute bar where the big volume is. Big volume again, okay?